Hi, this is my first and ever first and ever YouTube video. So what I did is I am going to be opening squishies. Yeah, we're going to be making some squishies. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So we're going to be opening my squishies. So yeah, there's nothing over, so let's open it. Okay. So you guys get the first one. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah. I feel something squishy. Okay, here's the invoice. Okay, the invoice. A book? But I ordered this from China, and I didn't even order a book. Strange. Like, my balloon. It's freezing cold. Sorry if there's like that noise. Oh, my dad's working in the house, so yeah. I need to stretch. Okay. It's only like 3 o'clock. Okay. I think these two are extras or something, but I got Olaf and I like leveled this up and up. Can you get it out? That's squishy though. Like, that's squishy, that's a sad thing. That's gonna look squishy, so yeah, this is like the Olaf, the extra it came with. But that's not how you spell voices. Oh, that's not how you spell voices. So yeah. The next thing I pull out is this wallet. I don't care about it, okay? Nah, I feel some squishies. Okay, but what I pull out is, so you guys get the first look at it. Okay, and I'm gonna look at it. Yes, it's the one I ordered. The turtle bird, yeah. It has some defects, like right there, and like right there, and like right there. Like, I'm gonna have to half glue that, but otherwise, it's fine. Oh, there's also some defects, like right there, too. So, but it's like super squishy though. So it's a good one, kind of. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, you guys get to look at it. It feels like a cat. Oh, it's my chocolate eyes cat thing. I don't even know what it's called, but I think it's foam something, but it's like super squishy. I'm gonna put a camera closer. So the next thing I pull out, so remove the paper. So you guys get to look at it. No, I get to look at it. Okay. It's my marshmallow. Okay, so there's like, there's so much defects right here and like here too, like, but it's like super squishy. Like, look at it. Let's just look. Whoa. It looks so weird. Okay, the next one I open up is use like a frosting cup. So you guys get the first look at it, and I'll look at it. It's my frosting top. This is it would have been squishier. It's fine. Okay. I don't even know what this one is, but it feels thin. Now I look at it. Oh, it's my bread. press down to make it better. Okay, so this was so much like this frosting thing is like coming off, and this thing is, well, I don't even know, but it's like really squishy. So yeah, just do the fast. Okay, this one feels like, I don't know, but I think this is foam. Do you guys get the first look at it? No, I get the first. Was this supposed to be my banana king? Because let me see. Yeah, the banana king was like $13. And this was supposed to be my banana king? Really? I still want it. It's squishy. It's not squishy. It's just one of those foam things. Okay, we have 3 squishies left. I'll just look at them all, okay? So you get to look at this one. It feels so squishy. You know, I get to look at it. Oh, no way, it's the Mickey Mouse one. I ordered one like that big. I ordered a bigger one. It has defects like right here. And like this part, this green part's like coming off. It just came off. So, and like this. But it's still squishy, so that's a good thing now. The next thing I pull out is, you guys get to look at it first. Closing my eyes. Okay, now I get to look at it. Yes, it's me. This peanut bun's so soft though. Oh, it has like some defects. Its eye, like, I don't even know if I'm sure. Yeah, like some defects. There's also some defects there. But it's good. It's so squishy. It's so sad. The next thing, okay, this is like the last thing. Okay, it's like super squishy. You guys get to look at it? No, I get to look at it. It's my bone. Oh, there's some defects. I mean, happy about the defects, so. But it's still super squishy. I'm supposed to have one more. I think I dropped it and gave you something. I think it's just really. I was supposed to have one more. It was this one, I think. It was like one of these. But smaller and less squishy. Well, I don't know what happened to it. And yeah, I'll try looking for it. Let's see if it's sure. I don't know. Where's my sister? I'm just kidding about that. These are one of some of these are my sisters and some of these are mine. But this bread's nicer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Go hit the subscribe button up there. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up or thumbs down. If you didn't like it, just please don't put any hurtful comments. Just put a thumbs down. Let's give one last look. Churro bread. This banana. This marshmallow. Extra that's not squishy. The Mickey Mouse. The bread. This elephant candy. And all the bread. I got 4 different kinds of pun. I don't even know what they call it. And this frosting thing. So, like, these are my 2 jumbos. That big. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, just put a thumbs down. No hurtful comments down in the comments. comments below. Thanks, and hope you enjoy this video. First,